I'm the Ramblin' Phoenix, and I know a little bit about a lot. I recently got a device which records bird calls, and what I realized was when it started identifying the birds, many of the very common birds, but one that are lesser known, not the cardinals, not the blue jays, but those very common birds that you just might not know the names of, sort of sound like insults. So I'd like today to just tell you the names of some common birds that to me sound like insults. You yellow-bellied sapsucker. You white-breasted nuthatch. You hairy woodpecker. My Carolina chickadee. You're such a northern flicker. Dunlin. Green-winged teal. You ruby-crowned kinglet. Ring-billed gull. Common Grackle. And for a really cute bird, this last one sounds particularly insulting. Dark-eyed Junco. Like I said, it's a really cute bird. Do you know any other birds that kind of sound like they could be used as insults? Let me know in the comments. Don't be such a common loon. Till next time.